This question was asked few years back in SAT examination. James spent 3/4 of his allowance on music album. He spent 2/3 of what was left on burger. If this left him with $P, which of the following was his allowance in the dollar? So in the question, after spending on music album and burger, he was left with $P. But in first two lines, we are the amount that was spent on music's album and on burger is given. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to find the amount left after spending on music album and after spending on burger. So amount spent on music album was 3/4 of his allowance. So let's take allowance as X. 3/4 of the allowance was spent on music album. So what was the amount left? Amount left after music album. So that would be 1 minus 3/4. So that would be 1/4. Similarly, what was the amount that is left after spending 2/3 of on the burger? So amount left on burger would be 1 minus 2/3. So that would be 1/3. And the total amount that was left after spending on music, album and burger was $P. So we can write this as the amount left on music album, that is 1/4. Then the amount left on the burger, that is 1/3 of the allowance. And we have taken allowance as X. So the total amount that was left was $P. So now from this, we can find the value of the total allowance X. So X divided by 12 is equal to P. So X is 12p. So the total allowance X is 12p. So option B is your correct answer.